Welcome back to Vintage RC. So if you need a channel, welcome to dedicated RC car channel restoring vintage RC cars, trucks, boats. We like to do some custom builds around the holiday season, and we'll do new builds as long as we have a vintage tie-in. And also do speed run challenges. So this is the Poor Boy RC speed run challenge, Tamiya MF-01X chassis. And so far we've been doing pretty good. If you've been following me along with this journey, you know we slowly edged our way up higher into the speed category, and we have gotten a little bit extra in this one, thank God. We did a lot to this car since you last saw it last week, and that is to change out the wheels to from a 62 millimeter tire all the way to a 65 millimeter tire, the max. I can't get no bigger than that because I'll get in trouble. And then we also went to from a 22 pinion to a 23 tooth pinion to help us out with that. And we had to cool the motor down because it was getting super hot, and we went with a Traxxas heat sink. To go with the speed of the car, we wanted to add a Tamiya speed gear set, which we did as well. We lowered the chassis down its next level, so it is now the lowest it can go. And I think it's helping out, although I had to change the camber multiple times into the front, the turnbuckles, just to try to keep the steering in a right angle, because it was all over the place and I was running into everything. We also had to kind of aid the body a little bit. The body is starting to really take a beating, so had to clean it up a little bit and add some extra tape to the roof, and I added a little bit of foam for the back and to the front and back, just to kind of help it when it impacts a wall or something like that, and just super glued it a little bit. It doesn't stay on all the time. Sometimes it does come off, but I feel like it might aid some type of impact a little bit. I'm trying to keep my body in one piece. And that's pretty much it. Nothing else has changed since the last video, but I just wanted to go over everything real quick with you guys. And yeah, so here we go. We're gonna go right into what it took to make this guy go up a little bit in speed from 33.1 miles per hour in the last video, all the way up to, well, you'll have to see the end to know. It's gonna start right now. All right, so here we are. I'm gonna show you my little battery here. We got the, I'm gonna put the speed controller or the GPS inside the car. This is what we got. We're running 60C 7.4 volt LiPo pack 2S. I don't want to flip this thing and break the GPS speed controller or speed reader. So now we're just gonna run it with the body here. Motor has been running really hot, so I had to put that little heat sink on there. Not the smoothest place in the world to drive this car right now, but my other spot is totally busy with church, so we're gonna do our best here. Let's pull this battery cable in real quick. There we go. All right. Trying to take it as far as I can without getting this car run over. see where we're at. Oh, nice hop. Hopefully it registers the speed, guys. I've had problems with this GPS. There we go, 35.4 miles an hour. It's up a little bit. We'll keep on edging away as the time goes. We still got some time to do some improvements on this one. But yeah, so we're gonna rock 35.4 miles an hour right now. Alrighty guys, good luck to everybody else. Be safe out there.